Hello guys, so I'm working on this simplest Tic Tac Toe game in MIT App Inventor. So what I have done here, I've just added here the canvas and one image and one button. Okay, so what we can do here to play this game, we just need to draw the your turn. Like suppose cross and like cross it, and suppose second chance is like this. And now I have another chance, so I will play like this here, and someone will play like this again. Okay, so we don't need our copy pen or something. So we can have the simplest TikTok to game in MIT App Inventor. Done. Cool. So that's the simplest app that we have created using the MIT App Inventor. You can just click on that clear button to clear everything. Now you can play again. So that's the amazing and simple app. We will learn how we can create this app step by step tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.